How to change Netflix kid account to normal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Netflix application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the My Netflix option at the bottom right of your screen and you will see your name drop down. Tap on that and you will see the option for kids there. So tap on the Manage Profiles option and then tap on the Kids Account option you see there. Further, tap on the Delete Profile option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Delete again. With this, the kids account will be deleted from your profile. Now simply tap on the Add Profile option you see there and then go ahead and name your profile. Make sure not to toggle on the toggle button for kids profile and then tap on the Save button you see there. And with this, your Netflix kid account will be changed to normal. So, this is how you can change Netflix kid account to normal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.